Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Just Naughty, and today you guys I'm going to be trying on a unit. I received this unit from my sister-in-law. It is from UNice. So this is not a sponsored video, you guys. They are not paying me to make this video. I am doing this out of my own free will. The front of this unit states that it cannot be defined. It smells like most wigs or hairs. You know, it has that plasticky smell to it. There's about 4 clips by the VPart, and there's 3 combs inside for security, extra security. There's a headband strap, and they have this lace piece back here. I'm not really sure why. I'm guessing it's for if you want to put your hair in a ponytail. I don't know, but I don't plan on doing so. I really just wanted to throw something on. The hair is soft. It's nice and soft. And this is kind of how my hair looks after it's been blow dried. It feels real soft, but my hair don't be feeling this soft, you guys. With a little manipulation it does, but yes. It's a gray hair, you guys. I got a few of them up here, but it's a gray hair up here. It doesn't look too far off from my hair color. It's maybe just a little bit
lighter on the dark side.
That don't make sense. It's dark brown, but it's not the same shade. Dark brown. It's not the exact shade that, whatever. Anyways, it's close to my hair color. It's just not the exact color. This unit also came with a gift. So we got this headband strap. You guys, I've always wanted this. And it's not a headband strap. It's like one of those little lace front wig straps, you know, for you to hold it down. I don't wear wigs like that, but I make videos with me wearing wigs, so this definitely is going to come in handy to hold down the front of the lace. Some lashes. I don't wear lashes, but for video purposes I might put this on. Let's see, this is a brush. Is this to blend the hair? I'm guessing. But anyways, it retracts, come through. It's better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it. So bam, there goes that. And I got a wig cap. So this was definitely a nice gift. Beats having the crochet needles like most companies send, because I have tons of those. So this is pretty different. guys, so I am done applying this VPart wig. I was gonna style it, but I do not have time to do it at this moment, so hopefully later on I can. But I love this. Like I said earlier, this looks like my hair when it's been blown out properly. The only thing that I can say is I am not used to wearing VPart wigs or even anything with a clip, to be honest, and this was kind of pulling at my hair. I get tension headaches, and so this didn't stay on my head. Hopefully next time I'll just secure it with bobby pins, or I'll try cornrows instead. This video wasn't that long, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Peace.